What's up, good people? This is Anthony DeLoach, and I am back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today I'm going to be covering the Marksman investment opportunity. That's right, the Marksman investment opportunity. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this one. This is the Marksman investment opportunity here that we're taking a look at. I've had my eyes on this one for a while now. I just haven't been able to go ahead and dive into it and invest like I wanted to because I've been so busy with my other projects. But I did want to go ahead and do this quick review of this platform for you. Now, from the first impression, it does look like a great website, right? It looks like it's well put together, looks like it's solid, but we know a lot of these platforms out here, especially the high yield investment programs, they usually have pretty decent websites. But I'm going to go down and take a look at more things and tell you what really interests me and what really concerns me, all right? So we trade for you. I like that. They trade on my behalf. Any company that's going to trade on your behalf, if they're getting successful results, is a good idea because then you don't have to learn the skill of trading, and it limits your losses a lot of times because the companies usually will use artificial intelligence algorithms and sometimes even Autobots to trade, which causes them to be successful most of the time with their trading. Now, they say that they're trading for 30,000 plus transactions per minute, right? 30,000 plus transactions per minute is phenomenal. They also have security and protected transactions. Their clients, they have over 27,000 trusted investors, and their support is 24/7. I don't know any information that backs up these claims, but they're wonderful claims from the onset. Now, the company tells you a little bit about itself. It says Marksman is a trading company which was developed by industry experts that serves as a universal profile for investors. With our investment sectors, each client is guaranteed a steady growth of income on a daily basis. We offer you a rare opportunity to make your money work for you without your participation. Now, guys, look, I don't know if what they're saying is true, but that sounds good to me. For me to have my money work for me without my participation, that is the true definition of passive income. Now, if we go down a little bit further, some of their tenets they have here is safety, increased profitability, instant withdrawal. We all love that. I love when we do withdrawals and they hit your wallet instantly. Their mission here is to have everyone start earning money by using a private trading algorithm, which is great. The ecosystem that they're developing, which is a wonderful thing. The secret of their success is their team, right? So we're going to take a look at their team in a little bit. Let's just see what the team is all about. Some of their advantages is daily profit withdrawal, 24-hour premium support, high performance trading mechanism, personal approach to each client, international experience, and a bonus accrual system. Like I said, that all sounds good. The trust of their clients. Marksman's priorities are users and the community. Every day, there are more and more of us, and we want to see the crypto economy in every city in the world. We believe that cryptocurrencies represent a real revolution of the global economy. eCoin will become a driving force for economic prosperity, especially in developing countries. I love what they're talking about there. That's phenomenal. Also, they're talking about their crypto trading here. You can read a little bit more about that. But there's some things I want to jump into, right, as we do this review. I want to go into this page where it says for investors, right? So we'll go ahead and do this, and then we'll log into the platform. We'll see what the back office of the platform looks like and all of that stuff. So when we go in here, it says for investors. When I look at this here, it says that there is a CEO. The CEO is Henry Gal Strudwick, if I'm saying that correctly. Now, his quote here has thrown me off a couple times. I don't know why this would be your main quote on your website, but let me go through this quote that they have for the CEO. It says, the path to success of the company is quite complex and quite often led us to failures that turn into failures of our lives. Success requires a lot of hard work, patience, and courage to face challenges and all possible obstacles. Now, in a lot of different arenas, that would be encouraging. But I don't want to necessarily know that your company has experienced failure after failure, which leads you into failures of your lives. I don't know if he's saying that about the company or it's just a quote in general, but that's the quote that they have from the CEO here. But the goals, our goals, provide trouble-free access to cryptocurrencies and the global earnings for everyone in the world, which is great. That's an ambitious goal there. Because of the uniqueness of the project and the professional approach to the trading processes, it helps to increase the level of stability in the market as a whole. We work for reputation, not for a bank account, which is great. Hopefully they are working for their reputation right here, right? But let's go a little bit further. They already said that stuff. But what I also like here, so from what they say on the website, this company has been in development since 2015, right? This is when Marksman Investments Limited was registered at the beginning of 2016, and it established itself as a stable and profitable company. The cryptocurrency launch planning, this is just when they started planning in 2016, 2017, the beginning and development of the token. Then they had their online platform, which was launched in 2018. The meeting of the investors was in 2019. And then in 2020, the presentation of the online platform. And that's what we see here today. And the launch of the platform, which is in 2020, they're supposed to be conducting a closed ICO. I don't know where they are on that. Adding coins to the exchange is also supposed to happen this year. The app and the wallet is also supposed to happen this year. The anniversary of the company is going to be November 28th, 2020. That's the company anniversary, which I say was just for 5 years, a 5-year anniversary. 2021, the Marksman app and wallet, the mobile platform is scheduled to launch on January 2021, as well as e-wallet application for the Marksman wallet. So what I want to tell you guys is that they have some plans out here, at least out to 2021, right? January of 2021, which is not far around the corner. We're only a few months away from this. And if they make the progress that they're saying that they're going to make, this could be phenomenal, right? They're really planning out some things. Now, I would love to see some company plans further than January 2021. I like to plan out, a year or so at a time, maybe 2-3 years. Most of the time when you're doing a company, there are projections for 3 to 5 years, and I don't see those. And maybe they do have them. They just haven't put it on the website. But hey, look, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and jump into the access. I'm going to show you guys the back office. My information is already saved in here, so we can do that. Hopefully I won't drag out this presentation too long here. But I'm back in here. They tell you here right up front that if you invite partners, that you will be able to get up to 12% commission for partners who invest, which I really like that. I will drop my link in the description as usual. You guys always know if I do an opportunity and I introduce it to you and you want to check it out, please use my link. I really appreciate it, right? You can go ahead and use my link. But now I want to give you this quick disclaimer. Only invest what you are willing to lose. I'm not responsible for any investments that you make. I am not your advisor. I am not your guru, right? I am just telling you about the information that I have reviewed on this site and what I'm giving you my crazy opinions, right? So I just want you guys to take that as you invest in these platforms. Now, let's see. You can go in here to the platform. You can enable the 2FA protection, which that is good. Most platforms are actually offering that right now, but you can actually go in and invest. And this is what I really wanted to show you all when you go in and invest with the platform. You can go in and hit the invest now button. It's going to tell you the actual process of investing here, but then you can also go into the let's start. And I'm going to show you something here, which they'll tell you when you actually invest, what type of returns you will get on your investment. So when we're looking at this, you can invest, the minimum investment is $25 in this platform. So if you wanted to invest $25, your daily profit will be around 25 cents per day, right? So if you invest $25, it'll be 25 cents per day. And then you will be looking at, it actually tells you the period. So your initial period will be 25 days. So you would earn 25 cents for 25 days, right? So that will give you a total return of $31.25. So it takes you 25 days to earn $31.25 from the platform, right? That is what that is. So if you decide that you want to go a little bit further, and I want to take this down, we can use this. So if you go a little bit further, you want to do the $100 investment, you definitely could do that as well. If you do $100 investment, you're gonna get a daily profit of 1.08% per day, right? And that will give you $127 after 25 days, which is not bad. So you can be involved in this. Like I told you guys, if you go put $100 in your bank, I want you to always compare this to what you would get in your bank. You go put $100 in your bank, and if you go back in 25 days, it's still going to be $100 if they didn't hit you with any fees, right? But what I want to tell you guys is that now with this platform, you can actually go in and invest $100, and in 25 days, it'll be $127 here. So let's go a little bit further. If you take it in, we take it back to, let's say, what y'all want to do? Let's do $300, right? So we'll do 300. If you invest $300, you would get the daily profit of 1.40%. And you will have a period of 30 days, which means that you will earn your total return is $426, right? 420. So you're able to turn $300 in 30 days into $426, which is actually not bad. Like I said, I really like that, right? I really like that. If you guys are looking for an opportunity, this is actually pretty good. Now, what is my concern is that with this platform, what they do is they pay you the daily profit, and at the end of the period, they should release their capital, the capital that you invested. All right, you guys get that? You understand that? So if I invest $25, they'll pay me the profit of 25 cents per day. That's what I get to withdraw on a daily basis. But they are going to release my capital after the initial period is over, right? What I initially invested. So if you invest $300, they release that $300 investment after the 30 days, but you're able to withdraw the profit on a daily basis. So the concern with a lot of people with a platform like this is if I go in with a big amount, like 5,000 at the end of the, so let's go up to like 5,000 or something. So if I take this up, and then somebody decided they wanted to invest 5,000, right? Which is, it's a pretty good investment to get a return, right? So I want to put this down. Just bear with me while I do this, guys. I want to show you this. So if I put this down to 5,000, and if you wanted to invest 5,000, your total return is going to be 9,400. You'll get paid approximately 2.2% daily profit, right? Your period is going to be for 40 days. So after 40 days, you will earn $9,400, which is great, right? That's a great return on your investment, especially for only 40 days, right? I appreciate that. But what people are curious about and what I will have to see is to make sure they release your capital and all of your capital, and you don't have to wait for a long time to actually get your initial capital back out after the 40 days, right? So I'm going to try this program out. The thing is that it takes a while for me to really be able to tell you if it works the way it should work, because I have to wait the 25 days to make sure it releases my capital back to me. But as always, feel free. If you want to try it out for yourself, go ahead. I'll drop my link in the description. You check it out, try it out yourself, and see if it's something that you actually want to participate in and something that could give you a great return on your investment. All right, guys, look, I've been talking and rambling for too long now. So hopefully this is giving you some insight on the platform, so that you can see exactly what happens with this platform. Okay, guys. Well, until the next video, my motto, I want us to invest wisely, but we're also going to invest well. Only invest what you are willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I'm out.